Oh, mamma mia. Mama. Whew. Just by stepping on it a little bit, it raises up that end. I can see that it's not 100% level. Oh, look at that. Might be sprinkling on me. I just have to be careful so I don't crack it off, right? That's the last thing I want to do is crack that mother. I have no idea where to get these extra tiles. Get my nail puller out. I can't get my hand under there just yet. There. That'll do it. That'll do it. Whew. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Same thing. I don't want to reach over too far, wrench my shoulder out of whack. See right here, it's pretty much solid from here down. The next joist is about there, and then there's one right there. The nasty 2x6 right there. Whew. You see there, flat, no sand. No sand. Very amazing. Oh, there. Whew. Wow. Wow. We're gonna set it here and rest here for a minute. Whew. Whew. That's how you do it. Good golly, Miss Molly. Good golly, Miss Molly. Over here. Hey.
How you doing?
All right.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Need me up?
Sure. Hey, I'm making a video. Is that okay?
Sure. Fine.
I got my neighbor here.
Ah!
Hey! He's going to help me with this. Don't step over there.
No, I won't step.
Let me show you how to get over here.
Okay, over here.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't step there. Try to straddle this. Put your foot over here. Grab onto that. Well, I'm going to have to find you some gloves, huh? Huh?
Whoa, that is
Yes.
cutting loose, isn't it?
Yes, there's 2x6s down over here that have failed. See how far this is dipped down?
It's awful.
And
So can we you want to lift this up, or?
yeah, that's my next one. I'm gonna do. Dude,
You're out of breath.
I am. These things are heavy.
I'll bet. That's why I'm here.
These tiles. I've been showing people how to do this. If they want to tackle something at home, or if they just want to sit here and watch Joe take care of this little project, grab a bowl of popcorn, grab your coffee,
Joe, get me
sit
some
there.
popcorn.
Not you, the people out there who want to watch this. And
Should I flex it all?
yeah,
Okay.
flex.
How much power do you need here?
Not too much. No, here, let me get out there, and I'll kind of get it started. From here, this way, I feel pretty comfortable.
Okay.
Underneath there, but it's that way.
If you fall through, I'll pull you out.
And so,
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
It's right out of joist right here. This way.
Well, now we're there.
Yeah, let's just set it up there.
Ready, set. Oh, he's got it. Where are you gonna go? Did you take pictures?
Yeah, I took pictures. Okay, I'm gonna set it here, and I'm gonna mark this outside.
Oh, good answer. Good answer. Good answer.
Outside center, and I actually took pictures too. And
Oh, which corner is going where? Okay.
well, it's the cut.
Oh.
The cuts face out.
Okay. You don't want me to put out here or something?
Well, I did on this other one.
Okay.
This is not out. This is the inside.
Oh, okay.
So I need to flip it around to
All right.
make sure.
Just flip it.
Okay.
I get it. You got it? She's heavy. Don't hurt yourself.
Okay, here. That's that. So I'll just put an arrow
Oh, good answer.
like that.
Cut down on the penmanship.
Yeah. See, I don't know why all the sand was here. I've already taken out about 3.
Well, they put sand in between the cracks.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Because lots of these joints are tight.
Yeah, but they sand it.
All I can guess is then all of this sand has come from the tiles over here.
Yep.
And have come down, and then they found this deep spot here.
Yep.
When everything failed, because I was thinking they had sand throughout this whole thing, and I'm glad they didn't.
Oh, I agree. I don't know
Yeah.
why I'm sure there's a lot of gravel over there too. Okay.
Okay, so
We gotta lift another one.
yeah, I think this one right here.
Okay. Where can I stand?
You can stand.
Not in front of the camera.
Yeah, right there. No, that's okay. I wasn't going to show every single second of this.
So it's easy to edit?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't want to break these off.
No?
That gives us enough room for fingers.
Can I get in front of the camera now? Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Here, I'll just set the camera over here.
Good.
I'll set the camera over here, like so. And I'm glad, you know, hey, today it looks like it's getting ready to rain.
Yes.
And
Ready, set, go.
much easier with 2 people.
Ready, set, go. Okay, you want to mark it?
No, this is, whoa.
Oh, careful.
Whoa.
Oh, that didn't look good.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Okay. Where do you want to go?
We're gonna
All?
go. Yeah. Here, just hang on to it like that.
Got it.
Hey, you got it?
Got it.
Okay. I'm gonna shut this off. Actually, I'm gonna keep it going until we stack this. I've been stacked. These are full tiles, so that face is gonna be facing outside. So you go first.
Hey.
With these full tiles, I don't necessarily have to mark these.
I got it.
Okay. All right.
So, did you see that? It's got a number on it, 22.
Does it?
Oh yeah, it's got February.
Huh.
Nice to know when they put it in there.
February 10th. Something.
Yeah, it doesn't say what year.
See how much easier it is with 2 people?
Yeah.
If you got somebody who can help you with your project, get them and have them help. Oh yeah, it was nice to have a little help. I think I could have done it on my own, but much easier with 2 people, as you can see. Okay, so now I took those out. When I took those out, I wrote main left for the notched one, main left for the full one, main right. So I know where they are, and those are the first 4. Once I get done with this whole thing, those are the first 4 that are going to go in before I roll it out that way, right? All got to be tight. And see, there's only a little bit of sand around the edges, and I'm thinking some of that could have come down off a stucco or something, or the wind get breezy and blow stuff up in here, and then that stuff got caught down in here. Tom, he thought that they put sand in between these lines, but they couldn't have, because see how tight they are? Look how tight that is. I don't think they did, unless they put just a hair on there for any little slight gaps, and then they swept it before calling it good. Let's see, here's another tile at the very end. I could probably leave that one there. Or not. I might have to pull that up. So I'm already thinking about my next thing before I even take out my last tiles. I need to just concentrate on that. I had to be careful. Did you see when I stepped on a couple spots there, that OSB plywood underneath here, because I was able to crawl underneath this deck, I could see it. And so then I have to kind of feel where the joists are, so I can kind of put most of my pressure there, because worst case scenario, I fall with my foot down through a hole. But see how low this went down? Look at that. I don't know if you can appreciate how low that is, but I'm feeling better about this project. Once I get this stuff up, I'm going to sweep all this stuff down. Then I'll have to cut this and figure out where to cut it, because I don't think I can roll this all back. I might be able to roll it all back in one go and then leave it with the big roll right here, so afterwards I can unroll it. I might even do that. So either way I do it, I may have to I think I'm going to have to work on getting that little tile up too. First things first, I'm going to work on getting the rest of those tiles out, and I'm going to mark those back right, you know, with an arrow or something, and then I'll put that side right, something like that, you know, just so you know where the tiles go. I was thinking earlier, hey, maybe I'll put some masking tape on. I thought, hey, get that. You know, the masking tape's going to come off and all that. Okay, so I'm going to work on those tiles next. I'm going to do them the same way, and I've been pretty good with this. And using my nail puller, I pry this up a little bit, put my nail puller in there so I have enough of a finger pull, and work with that. But I just wasn't sure what I was going to need. That's why I brought a couple 2x4s out here, and I'm glad I used those 2x4s for the very first piece. If that's the only time I use those 2x4s, I would have done a good thing anyways, okay? I'm not going to show you this next little bit. I'm going to end up pulling these out on my own, being careful with them. I'm going to mark those, and I'll have to figure out where to stack them, and I have to remember to mark those before I forget, and then I'll stack them over here. I didn't want to pile up too many more over here, because the more weight here, you know, I've got a lot of weight right here, so I want to, I've distributed it over there, and I lean those up. Those are the cut ones for the back, and I left enough room so that later, that's my electrical outlet where I can hook up an extension cord if I need it for my sawzall and all that kind of stuff, skill saw or whatever. At this point, I'm going to sweep up all of this stuff I can, and I've got my brooms, and these are the two brooms that I use in the garage. I've got another nice broom inside the house, but I'm not going to use that, so just be aware of what you're doing. Try to keep a low profile inside the house. Try to keep the mess outside and use your crummy brooms, okay? Well, that's what I'm going to do next, is sweep all this stuff up. It's getting ready to rain. I'm trying to beat the rain. Sweep this up.